Guys, today I will show you how add event to your calendar application on your OnePlus 12R. Firstly, find out your calendar application by swipe the screen and tap on calendar application. In it, we press on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 28th of February, and after that, this plus icon and event. Now we can add more information about our event, title of that. We can add our event to our family member or friends on Gmail account calendar. We can also set when event start and finish, or which time in this day which we choose. We can also set it will be all day. We can add repeat of our event, maybe every month, every week, what you need. We can add this event to people calendar, add video conference to that, location of our event, notification, maybe 1 week before at 9 o'clock or more. We can change color which we see in our calendar of our event, maybe on the green one, description to it and attachment. And after we add all we need, we press save and we have it in our calendar right now. See you soon, bye!